Me always ready, you not feel back face. Oh, the last one.
And them girl I me like. And them girl I me like. You see me I say, she ever ready. You see me I say, enough to beat the John. None at all. Yo, the man them, find on a girl like Jada Kingdom. Not Jada Kingdom, she a my woman, you know. But find on a girl like Jada Kingdom. She said she ever ready, brother. You not have to back. You not have to beat the John. No jerkies round here. Jada Kingdom, me love you, baby. Wait a minute, people. Wait 1 minute before the video begins, guys. So, my girlfriend think she can prank me and it pass so easy, yo. Like, she avoid me for 1 whole day straight. You know, so Jamaican man a ramp already, you know that. Yo, people, she pranked me, but you know what I would do? I created a separate channel for that kind of content. So I have a couples channel. Yes, I have a couples channel. So I want to subscribe to that channel, you know, people. We're a mixed couple, you understand me? She's American, I'm Jamaican, you know, so a big excitement. And you know I'm going to prank her back. So I want to subscribe to my channel, people. With the right yes up on the screen, right over here, so. And the link, I going to be the first link down below in the description. And I going to pin it in the comment section, you understand me? So I want to go subscribe to the channel, the people. I could get 1,000 subscribers, you understand me? We have a video up already where she pranked me. But I not catch the feelings yet. I'm not going to catch no feelings. Let's go and subscribe to that channel, people. Run it up. Let's get 1,000 subscribers and send some prank ideas to my Instagram, Tyrekevlogs. But trust me, subscribe. First link in the description and the pin number in the comment section. Let's get straight to the link video, people. Big up yourself. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. And people, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I bring to you Jada Kingdom. People, she finna do a 50 bag freestyle, Yuh Betta. Honestly, yesterday I didn't know what to make a video to upload today. I just made a little post on the YouTube and say, yo, what I'm for react to? Them comment this. But this is a little snippet on our Instagram. She's something about some dick game or body, something. I don't know. It never better. I see one more on the screen and thing, you know, so I don't know what going on, you know. People, anyways, and there was 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers. That's the goal for this year, you know. So I want to subscribe to the channel from the know. And that's time I like up the video, make more people can see the video. Let me get straight to the reaction. I'm going to see what go on for that song, you know, man. Jada Kingdom, Yuh Betta. I want to know why that motor so wide open, man, be something, but the 50 bag freestyle, see me I say, East Side Records, that's all. I remember. Run tune. And then I play, run tune. Yeah.
Oh, you mean if me love him, me need no other body. Every time you book him, I ask so I'm so lucky.
Whoa, hey. So, basically, it's, oh, you mean if she love you, she don't love no other. So, this shit I talk about then. Alright. Me see what go on now. Ready?
You can't fuck me, no so fussy about the money. But don't take you off, remember say me and a dummy you
are. Hold on. True, you know she can't fuck it. She not fussy about the money. So I'm broke, man. Tell about the girl, like the broke man, them with the money, you know. You're broke, you know. You're broke, you know, and the money, you know. You're broke, you know. But true, the game good, the girl, I'm there with you, you know. That she say right there. And that she say. Me hear she say again, dog. Hold on.
So I'm so lucky. True, you can't fuck me, no so fussy about the money.
See that? True, you can't. She not so fussy about the money. Because she knows the game good. So she broke man, them will not have a chance in this world now, you know. And that's what I try to say. You don't have a chance. Well, sir, no one, because some man know talk someone with money. But the broke man, them will not have a chance. Just make sure say you can, I can't say. If you don't have the money, you have the dick. Because you know the rich man, them have the money, but them not have the dick. No lie. That's why the girl them have a give bun. When they do it. Now say 40, you know. Now say 40. You continue with it. Now say 40. Run tune.
Take you off, remember say me and a dummy you a walk with a steel pipe, now for think twice. Push it in a me and so cocky for have life, you can come.
Why she so damn slack? Why you so slack? push it in as if you have life. I'm not even gonna repeat them. I'm not even gonna repeat the bumbuckle belt. Lyrics what she has said that because I don't know, say my general and thinking. But where she's so slack and she's a brawling with it too, like Miss Jada Kingdom. Remember, say I have some little kids that watch, listen to your music, you know. Not even say watch that. Listen to your music, you know, like I mean, you know. This is too much in my ears. You're too slack. Got you.
Pump on my face or anywhere that you like. Boy, just pull up.
Oh, yeah. That not gonna pass my ears, so what she say? Yo, I'm make say no music video this, you know. But hold on, we'll go back a little bit again. I want you watch it, I say, you know. Because I'm not take no shit. Ready?
Pump on my face or anywhere that you like.
Wait. Face, what she say about face? I want to hear the lyrics, you know, because I'm not ramping today, you know.
If you can come on my face or anywhere that you like. Boy, just pull up on the...
She say, me, Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, can pan her face or anywhere me want. I mean, she make the song for Jada Kingdom, you better. I mean, she talk to her. I mean, she a bumbuckle bell talk. Which one would I like for pan Jada Kingdom? Which one would I like for come pan Jada Kingdom right now? Think about it. Jada Kingdom. The thick, curvaceous Jada Kingdom. No, do want your face, you know, I really think, you know. She said anyway me like, you know. So, you know, her body big. You know what I mean? Her body big. Her breast them turn up too now, but her breast them. Yeah. But think about it. For the general them, if a general watching right now, Jada Kingdom, which part you don't want to bust for her? I want to breathe her, you know, so. I eat the coochie. Because I want to breathe her. Don't talk. Me everything about it, you know, think about it. Jada Kingdom. Sexy. Full of shape. Everything. Look good. But you don't want to come. You don't want to come no else but in the couch. In the pull up bandit. Yeah.
Yeah, and bring the cocky, make me ride.
Me tell her she too slack in the leg. Me tell her you're too slack in the mama. Mama, you're too bumbuckle bell slack, dog. Bring it, make you ride. Pull up on the east side. Pay your face anywhere you want. Anywhere me want. Sorry. Pay your face anywhere me want. Me broke. But she don't care. You don't know what it's about you know, mama. You're gone, you know. You're gone. Hey. Don't do the cover art. If you look for the cover art, you know, yo. Me no know. Got you.
For a fuck to my song one time, you say you love all my flat.
Hold on. She something about her song one time. Remember our music video one time I react to? If you're new to the channel and the first time when I see my face, Jada Kingdom put out a music video when one time. The music video, I'm react to that video there. What she say a while ago now? Come in and no chat.
For a fuck to my song one time, you say you.
So I boy from one time for the year talk to. Because, you know, my earth. If you never don't need to go watch my one time music with the reaction, people. Yo, Jada Kingdom is born now, big old soap and a bad pan of water. And told them in the bad pan of water for the whole of the video. And yo, actually know my earth. I even really talk to Jada Kingdom. My earth now, man. I feel like I have a coronavirus now. My earth. Man, a big old bad pan of soap water, no, man. You know, me got no way, you know, man. You know, that romantic, best foot that in your life, you know, man. Yo! Don't talk, you know.
Love all my flat belly fit me. Boom, boom, tight, you call me itsy bitsy. You never know someone go on my tipsy. You come less than 3 and I'm no quickie, yeah.
And so fast him not do. Nah, man. You too fast. Well, I must say, if you don't need a bad pan of water there, and I'm going nowhere with you as a sexy. Of course, me I go about all 3. I 1 minute me done pop already. I'm on a long distance to la. You know feet and bulla. You hear that? But with you, I hear curvaceous body. 3 minutes, that's too much, man. 1 minute, can I breathe, you know. As me push it in. Come! Boss, so you can turn there. And turn so there. And turn so back. Where you go? Turn there and turn to there and turn so back. Where you go? Remember. Right, June.
You better don't take it out, I'ma say. You better don't make me shout in a race. You better don't take it out, I'ma say.
So she have body up on top of it too. She a body up on top of it as you can really see, you know. She tell me, say, don't take it out, you know. And she go short and she go make nice. All them bumbuckly. Mama, you too slack. Me tell you, she's too bad, you know. She too bad for your little size. That's why, hey, me say, man, me say, you dear me get fruit. I can cut it down to size. Jada Kingdom, you me a chat too. I can cut it down to size. Make me get time of the day. Me chat too much, you know. Run tune.
You better don't make me shout in a race. You better don't take it out when I say. Striking poses wet, so I soak it. Strong pussy choke it, so.
Big soap. What? Voila. Me I hear some lyrics, you know. More if me I hear, you know.
Strong pussy choke it, so bad, so fit.
No. Hey. More I hear from her, so we're another party, we're some more I hear from.
Poses wet, so I soak it. Strong pussy choke it, so bad, so fit. Almost broke.
I teach people how to fuck. I teach people how to have sex. I was really there, part. I want the jungle bongo. As I teach. This. What? Me can't wrap my hand around what you try to say. You see me, I say, but I know she too slack. You're too slack. But I like it. I love it. Song bad, but I like song bad. Should I react if I just drop it? But you don't know already, I don't like reacting to audios. You don't know things that, you know. Music video thing there with the girl with the big body. Like heavy. You know me, I say. You remember every video reaction, you know? But from there from them time, you remember me that react to heavy, you know? I don't know, nah, my Latin you. But this are going with things. Run tune.
Okay. Me always ready, you know, feel back face. Or the last one cut.
And them girl I me like. You see me, I say, she ever ready. You see me, I say, enough to beat the John. None at all. Yo, the man them, find on a girl like Jada Kingdom. Not Jada Kingdom, she a my woman, you know. But find on a girl like Jada Kingdom. She said she ever ready, brother. You don't have to back. You don't have to beat the John. No jerkies round here. Jada Kingdom, me love you, baby. Girl, like, find woman like Jada Kingdom. She ever ready, bro, God. Ever. You know them girl after that. They come in from America and want to look at pumps, you know. Be a come at that, but I'm tired, me can't bother right now. Jada Kingdom, oh, she could have tell like, yo, she could have fuck yesterday. What? Right now? Them girl there. We talk too much.
Thank you so much. You can get my pussy anytime.
Yeah.
Cause you are my done.
You see me? She said me can get it anytime I want to do it. What make you do want to marry that girl like her, she right now? What them girl do you like, dog? You know say now if I wait 100 years to get to go pump from them. You see me I say? Yes, when them rate the bumbuckle belt. You see me I say? Yeah. Like, people want to think about the song. I know some the girls them love it, you know. But the dog them will need to listen to Jada Kingdom more wild dog and say, if the girl not stay like Jada Kingdom, she not good for you. I be my mess dog. That's how I see it dog. Don't you know? Yeah.
I don't know where them say. Me never know I saw you go on when you're tipsy. But come less than 3 and I'm not quick.
What? You never know I saw me go on with me tipsy and you come less than 3. Hey. Wait, me get drunk now? You see when me get, it's a man a little bit of aisle. Not enough aisle, no. Little bit of aisle. Let's give me a little bit. Little bit of aisle and a trouble. One light. Little bit of aisle. Little white rum. Little any. Is it little dose? No, no about that one there. Little bit. That's little teeny bit. Yo! I say your boy. Me not lie. I say your boy. At what time? Our bumbuckly time. Our time. Wow, 9:57. Hold on, let me wrap up this real fast there.
Yeah, you better don't take it out.
Alright.
You better don't make me shout.
Okay.
You better don't take it out. You better hear me.
Song done. People, it's been your boy, Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. I would like for you to subscribe to the channel down below. You understand me? Hit the like button and let's get 10,000 subscribers. Now, before you all go, I want to tell you all something very important. So, my woman, not Jada Kingdom, my girlfriend, prank bumbuckle at me. Yo, me a general in the youth, you know, so Jamaica me come from, and she come from America. This girl don't text or call me for one whole day bumbuckle at dog. You see me I say, one whole day in a dog. one whole day she don't text her call me. So I say, oh no, something wrong. But they at work too, no brother. You know, say less. The video up, it up on YouTube, she prank me. But the link down below to our channel, you see me, I say the first link down below in the description, the first link, and take a be pinning in the comment section. You see me, I say, subscribe to my channel. I build a couple channels because I go prank the bumbo clat out of it. You can't prank a Jamaican man and it goes say, yeah. So no subscribe down below, people. You see me, I say, I'm going to subscribe to my couple channel. It name MONII and Tyrekejt, TYTY. Link down below. Link down below. Problem. A problem she put herself in. Me don't talk. It burn me, you know. But watch her, she 1,000 subscribers. You see me answer so. Deal with it the right way. Big up on yourself. Alright, I'm back again. You have watched and enjoyed the full video, right? Now what I want you guys to do is touch the head, right here, so. The head, the circle, and subscribe to my girlfriend, me and my girlfriend channel, the couple channel, MONII and Tyrekejt. Subscribe, right? Touch the head right there and subscribe. Big up yourself.